sub-Saharan Africa, women spend hours every day walking and wading to collect water that often comes from open sources exposed to the elements and pollution. On April 2nd, Kurt Freudenreich began a 3,100-mile journey along the Continental Divide Trail in solidarity with these women. His walk spans the Rocky Mountains on one of the most rugged and challenging trails on the planet. Kurt is walking to raise funds for the construction of 10 wells in sub-Saharan Africa in collaboration with the Sonder Project. He is a man on a mission, walking for wells. Through Kurt's dedication, we hope to improve health and shorten the daily walk of thousands of women every day. With your support, we can.
See, I'm just doing the walking here. I'm just the mouthpiece. I'm nobody's hero. I'm just trying to do something crazy to get your attention. Because it's you guys that are the heroes. You guys that are donating to change somebody's life.